Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about basic geometrical ideas. What are the basic geometrical ideas? Is really help us? Yes. If we can understand the basic geometrical ideas, or if we can learn the basic geometrical ideas or figures, later on, this will help to understand or learn geometry very easily. Let us see what it is, what are they, and all. Point. We can represent the point with that symbol dot. Line. We can represent line with this symbol. We can represent the line segment with this and ray. This is the symbol of the ray. Observe pictures carefully. See, there is a sharpened pencil and needle. Look at the edges or end of that pencil or needle. It looks like a dot. If we more sharpened the pencil, the dot will become a smaller. And next examples. That is our Indian map. See there. Is there in some white dots are there and some black dots are there. We can use that dots to represent the states in India. We can call the dots as a points too. We all know that in social studies we do the map pointing. So the points or helps to represent the particular location or identify the particular location or to determine the location. See the next picture. If we observe the sky, we saw so many stars, but distant stars are looks like a dots or points. Isn't it or not? Yes. The distance stars also give an idea of a point. We can call the points as a dots, points, full stop and all. If I pointed here, that means something is there and something is going to be explaining, or that means something is related to that location or that particular area, some attention towards the something. So the point, if we can observe this point, the point has a no dimensions. What is the dimensions? If the point has any length, breadth or height or width? No. So that's why the point has no dimensions. We can denote the points with capital letters like point A, point B, point C, and like this. Let us see the next one. Line. Observe the picture. What is the meaning of the line? There is a swimming pool. It is prepared for a swimming races, and some blue colored lines are there and some yellow colored and red color rods or something are there. Those are all looks like a straight lines. A continuous extent of a length at a fixed direction, we call it as a line. Line has only one dimension. Why? Because line has a length. Let us see with some examples. See that closely spaced dots are there. How you look like the dots? Yes, it looks like a line. Let us see the next example. What is in the picture? Yes, there is a railway track. There is a two parallel lines are there. See the next picture. What you observe from this picture? Yes, there is a something called electrical or telephonic lines. These are all looks like a straight lines. Isn't it or not? Yes, those are all looks like a lines. So we can represent these lines with AB line, BA line. Go to the next one. Here some books are there and ruler are there. Some persons underline the word knowledge. If you take one book, observe that book. The book have two end points, and then take a ruler. It starts from 0 to 30 centimeters or 1 to 30 centimeters. And here look at the picture, underlined word, the knowledge. From where you can underline the word? From K to E. So there is some initial point and end points are here. So this is called the line segment. We already know what is the line. Then what about the line segment? Segment means the portion or section or a bit. We can measure the length of the line segment. This is the picture of the line segment. The line segment has two points. Initial point A and end point B. We can represent the line segment as AB line segment. Line segment also has one dimension. Look at the pictures. Yes, sun rays, light rays, and ray from torch. Set of straight lines or passing through one point, it can be extended infinitely in one direction. It may passes through more than one point. We cannot measure the length of that ray. Why we cannot measure that length of that ray? Because it can be extended infinitely. Ray is a part of a line. Ray has only one dimension. We can denote or write the line as like this. A be the point on the line. See, here 3 points are there. C are two positions the same line either side of a. We can represent as AB ray and AC ray. Ray is the part of a line. Ray has only one end point. I hope you understand the concepts regarding point, line, line segment and ray. Thanks for watching the video. Please like our video and subscribe our video for more videos.